All right, the next stock I'm going to be taking a look at here is MYDX. You know what? As soon as I pulled this up, I was like, man, you are one notch off of being on alert. One notch off. And let me tell you why I feel that way. The last time we took a look at this is going to be on the 4th at 0023. I said on watch. You guys at 0030 now. I'm not taking credit for that because that was too long ago. But something has been shifting here with MYDX. All right, you had a lot of selling here, a lot of selling off of this run here, and you guys got back down to the 0099 area, but you fell below that. So there was a lot of selling for quite a bit here, but I think that has finally broken. What I'm going to mean by that though is that there is one key point why I said that you are 1 point off of being on alert. Okay, I want to see this right now at 0034. And you might be saying, well, what's that key point? That key point is going to be at the 30-day simple moving average at the 0031. You guys are already tapping on that door at the 0032. If you guys can get a close above this, I would switch this one over to an alert. You guys are pinching in a lot going on. This is why I said you are so close to being on full alert. And you guys know, I mean, when I put them on alert, I've got to be 100% sure, at least as close as possible. You know, in my confidence is going over these charts. Bollinger Bands are super tight. The 10-day simple moving average is up underneath it. And you have the 20-day now underneath it. So you have the 10-day completely underneath it, below the last. But now you're basically getting above the 20-day. Let's break through that 30-day. You just retracted a little bit now at the 0029. Again, I'm going to put this one on a watch. You are so close to going on alert. Again, 0029 on watch. If you break 0.0034, I'm going to say 0032, put on alert, TA. And that is all I have to add for MYDX. Joe, what do you got to throw in?
All right, so on January 9th, they had a MIDX announces 2017 shareholder letter. So I'm just going to go over that really quick because they are MyDx Incorporated, a rapidly growing science and technology company that has developed MyDx, the first multi-use handheld chemical analyzer for consumers. Today announced a letter to their shareholders, well, on January 9th, and it basically just stated it shows like their current product lines. And then I'm going to go over this right here. When we first started the company nearly 3 years ago, our primary goal was to bring quality control at the point of care to more than 200 million cannabis consumers worldwide who could not consistently find a strain that works for them. We then learned about pesticides in food and heavy metals in water, and the vision that MyDX was born to empower consumers everywhere to trust and verify what they put in their mouths or into their minds and bodies through our four primarily sensor applications. So they have four different products right now. It's OrganaDX. It's to test the safety of food you eat, and AquaDX is to test the safety of the water you drink, and AeroDX it tests the safety of the air you breathe, and the CannaDX is to find a safe cannabis strain that works for you. So their goals were remains to solve the critical national needs, including promotion of public safety. All right, so I'm just going to fast forward, down to their milestone because they had some key milestones that were achieved in 2016. So their MyDX app reached the #1 ranking in medical category in the Apple iOS App Store, the #1 keyword cannabis, and a high position of over 54 overall free apps. The CannaDX, as a standalone business, has generated nearly 1 million in revenue since commercialization, mainly from the e-commerce sales, and is helping thousands of consumers trust and verify their cannabis every day. The CannaDX proprietary database more than doubled in size to 40,000 plus crowdsourced ailments and feelings associated with unique chemical profiles backed by pharmacological insights shared in our MyDX white paper. We are positioned to play an important role in understanding the science of cannabis and its future role in biopharmaceutical industry. Then the AquaDX single-use sensors were launched to test harmful chemicals in water, helping Florida residents in critical areas of need trust and verify the safety of their drinking water, and were featured by CNN and ABC News. And then see, OrganaDX single-use sensors were launched to test pesticides and heavy metals in cannabis and food, and were featured on by NBC News. So the corporate and finance, they reduced their operating cash burn by 83% year over year. They satisfied over 1.5 million in convertible debt used to finance the company's critical obligations in 2015 and 2016, including supporting research and development, daily operations, paying and renegotiating minimal royalty obligations with our sensor developer from 100,000 per year to 15,000 per year, paying off debt that was depleting the daily cash flow. All right, so basically the company is on track to be cash flow positive and profitable in 2017. And let's see, pre-14. All right, so it says company has filed a pre-14 14C as the board believes the company's outstanding shares may need to be reduced through a reverse split with the goal. So they may do a reverse split, it states in this. And then basically goes on to like looking forward to what they're planning for 2017. So I mean, they a company that came on the board, like came about 3 years ago, and they're obviously, and they're planning on being cash positive this year, so it's always a good thing.
All right, so again, that is MYDX, you guys, 0028 on watch. If break 0032, put on alert technical analysis. It's right now, again, trading at 0028. If you follow this one, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com and check out the live streams.